Today, we are going to blend sounds to read words. Let's do it together. These are the words we will practice. It, sit, pit, and tip. First, we have it. 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 Say it with me now. It. It. One more time. It. It. The word we practiced was it. Next, we have sit. It. Sit. It. Sit. One more time. It. Sit. The word we practiced was sit. Moving on, we have pit. How do we blend it? It. Pit. It. Pit. Let's do it one more time. It. Pit. The word we practiced was pit. And finally, we have tip. It. Tip. How do we say it? It. Tip. It. Tip. The word we practiced was tip. Great job, everyone! Now it's your turn to blend all of the words.